In this video we're going to quickly walk through the installation process. So this may go a little quick on your screen. If anytime you need to pause or rewind, please feel free to do so. Okay, so our install has completed the initial portion, and now we're waiting for the machine to restart. Okay, so the installation is finished and I've set my password. Now to log in. So again, this is in VM and a VM and a VM, so where it says hit Control Alt Delete, I'm actually going to hit Control Alt Insert, but it's probably going to confuse my machines a little bit, so we'll just hit Control Alt Insert. Let me make sure I'm in the machine. Control Alt Insert. Alright, so I'm going to hit cancel on this one, and then it says VMware has detected this. I'm like, okay. And so at this point we have Windows Server installed, and then we want to go through and configure the different roles that we would want the server to run. If we wanted to configure virtualization options to look at additional drives, we could do that. I need to correct the clock, but again, this is running within so many layers of virtualization that even on my computer, which is fairly powerful, it's still running very slow. So I'm going to continue testing this for a moment and try to determine the viability of trying to ask you to do this on your home computer, where you may have less resources than I have available on this machine. Okay, but that concludes this video. Thank you.